welcome back to my channel. Today we will be using this palette right here. This is from Spoiled Cosmetics and it's called Play Ghoul. I think that's funny. Anyways, I do have a link or a code if you want to pick up this palette yourself, and I'm also giving away this palette in this video. I will have all the information and directions down below in the description, so make sure you read that if you would like to win this palette. Anyways, let's get started with this look. To start off this look, we are going to prime the face. We are going to prime with Georgette Klinger. This is almost out. This will probably be the last I use of this because it's pretty empty. And for eye primer, we are using Morphe Eyelid Primer. Okay, now we are moving on to concealer and foundation. We are using Clear Complexion from Almay for both the concealer and foundation. Okay, for eyebrows, we are using the Cream Shop Holy Brow. Alright, eyebrows are done. We are moving on to the palette. We are going to use Spoiled Cosmetics Play Ghoul, this one right here. This has a lot of nice browns in it. And see, there's a little bit of pink, which I will be using the pink. And I think I'm going to start off with, oh, I don't know. I think I'm going to lay down a base of this color right here. So we're going to take this color and kind of go into the side crease area a little bit and just kind of make it pop a little. Okay, so now I'm going to go over the lid itself with this kind of pink color right here. I'm going to go over the lid again with this color right here. Now we're going to go back under the eye with that color again. I like to use things that sparkle a little bit under the eyes because it helps bring out the eyes just a little bit, and I think it's really pretty. So we are going to line under the eyes. I have stopped using black eyeliner under the eyes because I found that it does kind of age you a little bit, and I don't want that. I want my eyes to look a little bit more open. So I am going to use Marc Jacobs right here. This is in shade Fine Wine, just for the waterline. For top liner, I am using Makeup a Murder. This is Forensic Eyeliner Pen that I am using right here. For mascara, we are using Marc Jacobs. Alright, for a little bit of dimension on my face because it's white, I am using Summer Skin by So Susan. We're going to use just a little bit of setting powder from Beauty Bakery just to kind of literally just let it set. We don't do any actual baking. For blush, we are using Laura Geller. This is Baked Blush in Brighten Tropic Hues. For a highlight, we are using Pink Moon Highlight from Melt. This is what it looks like right here. For lip color, we are using Teddy from Spoiled Cosmetics. And for setting spray, we are using Tarte Miracle Mist. Alright, that is it of this look. I hope you enjoyed this. If you are interested in this palette, I do have a link below, as well as a link and some directions if you would like to win it. I do have an extra palette, so hopefully one of you will be able to pick it up. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.